Welcome to your Assured Performance ShopOps account. ShopOps is a comprehensive business intelligence solution that offers you a better way to do business with complete data integration. As a member of the most advanced repair-capable network, you represent the top 5% of body shops in North America that have what it takes to pass our rigorous independent inspection process and become Assured Performance Certified Recognized. Every provider in our network has the distinction of being able to offer their customers a fully documented certified repair. Now, over the next few minutes, we will go through the steps needed to complete the certification process and begin your exciting adventure as a certified collision repair provider. ShopOps is a revolutionary collision repair operations application that gives you a competitive advantage and takes your business to the next level through the use of automation. ShopOps is user-friendly and includes the essential tools that you need to manage, organize, improve, and fortify your business infrastructure. To get started, please go to www.assuredperformance.net and log into your ShopOps account. If this is the first time that you have accessed your account, you will need to complete the Terms and Conditions Agreement. Once you have accepted the terms and conditions, you will receive email confirmation along with an e-signature link that completes the agreement process. Now that you are officially logged into your account, go to the Business Improvement tab at the top of the page. There, you will see your business profile and enter basic information about your business and communication details. Remember, any sections marked with an asterisk must be completed in order to proceed. Here, you will add images showing the interior and exterior of your business through our easy upload process. You can always return to this section later and add more. After you have completed your business profile, please go to the WP Dealerships tab. You will be able to enter information about the dealerships that you order parts from or wish to sponsor. To make this process easy, your sales manager will also provide you with a document that you can fill out and return by email. Next, select the HR and Skill Setup tab. This will allow you to automatically view the Employee Management section and enter information about your staff. To do so, please select Create New User and enter your employee's name, job title, email address, status, profile picture, and whether or not they will have access to our proprietary Repair Doc application. This will allow you to assign certified repairs to qualified technicians so they can properly document the repair process for your business and customers. After you enter each employee's information, be sure to select Save. Skills Roster gives you the ability to review and add skills, while the Deficiency Report lets you stay on top of each employee's training and spot any deficiencies or skills to add. You can also review your team's skills under the Job Description Management tab. Once you have entered and saved information about each of your employees, select the Skills Inventory tab to review your technicians' refinish skills, non-structural and structural skills, electrical and diagnostic skills, and mechanical skills. Next, head over to the Business Certification tab. Properly completing this section will help you to ensure that your business meets and maintains all certification requirements for the programs that you are enrolled in. Upon selecting Business Certification, you will see a list of your currently enrolled programs under the Shop Certification Options and Applications tab. For each manufacturer, you will see an example of the distinguished certification signage that you will receive once your certification is completed. This is also where you will find your certification assessment. Your certification assessment includes the requirements that your business must meet to maintain your certification. Under the Certification Assessment tab, you will complete the following 5 sections. They are Business Requirements, Customer Service, Technical Capabilities, Advanced Capabilities, and Aluminum Capabilities. Remember, Advanced Capabilities and Aluminum Capabilities are only required if you are also enrolled in the Certified Repair-Capable Ford Vehicles and/or Certified Aluminum Repair-Capable programs. You must upload all of your documentation, training verification, and equipment photos to properly complete each section. Please make sure to click Submit once an item has been uploaded, as this will save your information in ShopOps. You can also download our Business Development application, as this will allow you to upload documentation from your cell phone or tablet. To do so, go to the Google Play or App Store and search for Assured Performance Network. Next, select and download Business Assessment. Once your download is complete, you will log in using the same user ID and password that you use for the desktop version of ShopOps. Upon completion of the Certification Assessment tab, you will be able to view a summary of your progress under Certification Score and Evaluation. You will see a percentage total of questions that you have completed and how many items you still need to complete. You will then run a deficiency report under the Deficiency Report and To-Do section. This will show you a list of specific outstanding action items. It is now time to select the Data Manager tab and view Data IQ. The robust information found within Data IQ is connected to multiple data sources. Be sure to check back and review your KPI Self-Management Data Dashboard for comparative benchmarking and reporting averages and percentages, including details about your average estimate, percentage of original equipment parts use, estimate data, and more. Next, you will find Data Safe. This is where you can upload and secure all of your most important data. This includes administrative and vendor data and any files that you'd like to secure in our cloud-based system. This will eliminate the mess and disorganization of paper-based file storage. To add files, choose the correct file type, select the columns that you want to see, and then load and save the file. A member of our account management or sales team will provide you with a link to schedule the installation of your data manager. You will then be connected to our technical department for an easy one-on-one walkthrough appointment on how to connect your body shop's EMS files to the data manager. As always, we are ready to help if you have any questions or need support. The last section we will cover for the orientation process is the Scorecard tab. This is where you will check your KPIs and keep track of your business goals and success rate, including your Net Promoter Score, cycle time, average length of rental, OEM parts utilization, and quality control utilization. Other sections include traffic, converted estimates, parts, repair quality assurance, customer experience, marketing, business by insurer, and OEM parts utilization by insurer. Congratulations! You have now completed your ShopOps Orientation. We are pleased to welcome you as a member of the largest and most repair-capable certified network in North America. By meeting or exceeding the stringent requirements set forth by Assured Performance and the manufacturers, you are a key component in driving the collision care industry into the future and helping to make quality collision care and fully documented certified repairs accessible to everyone.